Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to show you my completed special shaped diamond painting kit. And I would like to tell you about my first impressions about square drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dotz. I did not really order this kit. It was sent to me by mistake. I ordered an absolutely different design on AliExpress, but instead I received this very mandala. To tell you the truth, I'm not really a fan of mandalas, and I was really very reluctant to diamond paint it. I was actually planning to give it away to someone, but since nobody asked me to, plus I used one of the colors in another diamond painting kit, like 6 or 7 months later, I decided just to diamond paint it and maybe to give it away as a gift, as a completed image. So this kit is in the size of 25 by 25 centimeters. It has 10 colors and it is diamond painted with regular crystals and special shaped gems. Actually, there are like 3 colors of crystals: yellow, orange, and this moonlight. I actually replaced transparent crystals with moonlight crystals that I purchased on AliExpress a long time ago. All the rest special shaped drills were original, the ones that came with the kit. The only thing I replaced this very drill that was supposed to be here in the center with Swarovski crystal, just a regular transparent Swarovski crystal. It was diamond painted pretty fast. I did it during an hour maybe. The crystals and special shaped drills were of a very good quality, except of one, this dark purple one, and you could have already noticed that all the drills are sparkling except of this one. This color is kind of oily. I don't know why. I didn't even save it. I trashed it. I wouldn't want to use it in some other kits because again it doesn't sparkle. It looks very oily. Do I like it? Again, I am very happy with the quality of the most of the drills. The only thing that I don't like, the selection of color. Orange is not my favorite color. It looks good when some autumn landscape is diamond painted, but I don't know, I do not really like it here. And again, since I'm not a fan of mandalas, I can't say that I love how it turned out. I love the sparkle a lot, but the image itself, the design itself, the selection of colors is not really to my liking. So that's how it looks. Just wanted to share this image with you. Unfortunately, I cannot leave the link to this design if one of you likes it, because again, I did not order it. It was sent to me by mistake. The image that I ordered was confused with this one, and it was sent to me. Now, let's talk about diamond dots. If you follow my channel, you know that a few days ago I purchased this kit from Diamond Dots. What's so unique about it is that it is diamond painted with square drills. For at least 4 years that I've been diamond painting, Diamond Dots were producing the kits only with round drills. And a few days ago, they released their first kits with square drills. You all know how much I love Diamond Dots, what high quality kits they manufacture, and I was really hoping that their square drill diamond painting kits will be as of an outstanding quality as their round drills. I prefer square drills to round drills. My only problem that all square drills kits that I diamond painted so far had gapping. Some of them had less gapping, some of them had more, but the gapping issue existed in all of them. So what I can say about this one, of course it is too early to judge because I didn't really diamond paint a lot. Oh shoot, I forgot to diamond paint this sign. Yesterday I was diamond painting really very late and must have skipped it. So I love the quality of the drills. Look at them. They are really very nice. They are a little bit different from regular drills. They are taller, if it is possible to say so, than regular drills from AliExpress. But unfortunately, as you can see, there is gapping. It is very minimal, you can see it, but it still exists. And I tried both. I tried to diamond paint with single placer. I tried to diamond paint with multiple placer, and really the result didn't change. Still there is gapping. I would say that the gapping at this point is less than in DPF Factory kits that I purchased from AliExpress. Here it is, one of the diamond paintings that I completed. Here it is, see gapping here, very minimal. But again, it does exist in here. So, unfortunately, I have not found the company that produces square drill diamond painting kits and that does not have any gapping whatsoever. I also looked at my Sophie Beauty store diamond painting. There is almost no gapping whatsoever, but their diamond paintings turn out way too pixelated. That's how it looks. Just wanted to share my impression with you. Unfortunately, there is still gapping. Very minimal, but there is. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.